There are rules in our universe, laws written into the very fabric of nature that cannot be broken. And one of the most violent, absolute laws is this: when a star dies, it expands. It becomes a red giant, a cosmic inferno that swallows everything in its path. Any planet caught in that expansion is doomed. It is vaporized, deleted from existence. But 530 light years from where you are sitting right now, there is a world that broke the law. Astronomers call it Hala. It is orbiting a star that, according to every calculation we have, should have eaten it alive. It shouldn't be there, and yet it is. Officially, this world is known as 8 Ursae Minoris b. The question is, how did it survive the apocalypse? To understand why this is so strange, we have to look at the star itself. It's called Beidou. It's a dying star, much like our sun will be one day. Imagine our solar system. When our sun dies, it will swell up. It will grow so large that it will swallow Mercury, then Venus, and likely Earth. That is the fate of all worlds close to a dying star. Beidou has already done this. It has already exhausted its fuel and ballooned outwards. Based on its mass, it should have expanded out to a distance of 100 million kilometers. But here is the problem. Hala is sitting at just 70 million kilometers. Do you see the issue? The star expanded past the planet. Hala was effectively deep-fried inside the belly of a star for thousands of years. By all rights, the friction should have dragged it into the core, and the heat should have boiled it away. But when the star shrank back down, Hala was still there. It is difficult to overstate how impossible this is. Imagine trying to run through water. It's hard, right? The water drags you back. Now imagine running through liquid magma. For a planet to orbit inside a star, it faces incredible drag forces. It's like a marble spinning inside a jar of honey. That drag slows the planet down, and as it slows, gravity pulls it in, spiraling into the dark heart of the star. Physics says Hala should have been destroyed in a matter of decades, a blink of an eye in cosmic time. So, when astronomers first saw the signal of this planet, they didn't believe it. They thought it was a glitch, a mistake in the data. But the signal remained, a steady rhythmic tug on the star every 93 days. If the planet is real, then our understanding of stellar evolution is wrong. Unless the planet cheated. There is a beautiful, violent theory that explains this ghost world. And it suggests that Beidou wasn't always alone. We think this system used to be a binary star system. 2 suns, dancing around each other. Like Tatooine, but far more destructive. This isn't science fiction. Binary star systems and stellar mergers are observed events in our galaxy. One star was dying. It started to expand, getting ready to eat the planet Hala. But just as it reached out to swallow the world, its partner star intervened. The 2 stars merged. It's a cataclysmic event, but it had a side effect. The merger changed the internal chemistry of the new combined star. It stopped the expansion dead in its tracks. The violent collision of the 2 stars would have ejected massive amounts of gas and dust into space, a graveyard of debris. But over time, gravity is a patient sculptor. That dust could have clumped together. If this is true, Hala is a second-generation planet, born from the ashes of the event that should have killed it. A phoenix world, rising quite literally from the flames. It's almost poetic. The second star sacrificed itself, merging with the giant, to save the planet. The expansion halted just before it reached Hala. The planet watched the apocalypse coming towards it, and then, miraculously, the fire stopped. That is the leading theory. But there is another possibility, one that is perhaps even stranger. What if Hala did die? What if the original planet was destroyed, ripped apart by the violent merger of the 2 stars? In this version of the story, the planet we see today isn't a survivor. It's a child. Why does this matter to us? On our little blue rock? Because in 5 billion years, our sun will turn red. It will look across the darkness at Earth and it will begin to expand. We have always believed that Earth's destruction was inevitable, a solved equation, no escape. But Hala teaches us something profound. It teaches us that nature is more creative than our equations. Whether it survived by a cosmic accident of two stars merging, or whether it was born from the ashes of destruction, it stands as a monument to resilience. It is the zombie planet, the world that refused to die. And it reminds us that even in the most violent corners of the universe, life, or at least worlds, can find a way to endure. If you want to explore more worlds that break the laws of physics, click this video here, where we found a planet made of solid diamond. You won't believe how much it's worth. I'll see you there.